an all-new Dr. Phil.
My daughter is out of control. 13 years old, extremely provocative.
Danielle vanished with the keys to my crew member's car.
With her family,
She's threatened you with knives.
she's defiant.
Stop it. Oh, who is you?
But has she met her match
You want to do it again?
Sit down.
with Dr. Phil?
You can threaten them,
Good.
but I'm your worst nightmare.